So now I'm going to show you how to build a command group on the BKR5000. It's the same with the older legacies. I got this nice looking yellow one here. So I want to add this channel. I found it in one of the zones. I want to add this channel to my ABCD on the top. So I'll go channel plus, and I know that ABCD are like right at the very bottom of the list. So I'm gonna go D, and it's already prompted me. I only have one channel in D. It's prompting me to enter in slot number 2. So I'm gonna go ahead and say yep. And now if I go to D, I'm gonna have 2 channels. I got that secure and the channel I just wrote. So it's simple as that. You can delete channels as well by going to that zone and deleting it. If a lot of times when I'm fumbling with the radio, I'll accidentally hit the thing. It'll say delete channel, and it's this button that asks you, and I just hit that same button knowing that I'm not going to erase anything. Happens to me all the time. So that's how you build command zones. These radios, the ABCD, are all command zones, as well as most of the first first 9 zones are also command zones that the operator can take any channel on the radio and build it. So you're on a fire and you don't want to get cloned. The frequencies that are in the radio in zone 10 or zone 18 or 13, you could bring them all in and build a command zone yourself. And it's kind of nice to be able to put it on the ABCD on top. So I will go more into features. So I think I'll put a link somewhere in the description to go to the next video.